Hi friends, welcome to the online course on Programming in Python by Hemanth Academy. In this session, we are going to see about functions. Function is a block of code that is used to perform a desired independent task. Functions are also called as methods. When the program is very complex, we can divide the program into several subprograms using functions. The major advantages of functions are modularity, reusability, and easy debugging. Modularity refers dividing the program into independent units based on the desired functionality. Reusability means we can call the same function any number of times based on requirements. Statements within the functions are limited to its functionality, so it will be very easy to debug. In general, functions are broadly classified into built-in functions and user-defined functions. In Python, in addition to this, we have one more type of function called as anonymous or lambda function. Functions which are already defined in the language are known as inbuilt functions or built-in functions. The functions print, input, len are examples of inbuilt functions. Functions which are created by the programmer or user is known as user-defined functions. A function can accept arguments and can also return a value. In Python, function is defined using the def keyword. The function name is specified after the def keyword followed by the parenthesis and a colon. The parenthesis can be empty or it can contain the list of parameters. Please note, if the function accepts any parameter, that should be specified within the parenthesis while defining the function. The body of the function contains one or more statements which must be indented. A function is called by using its name followed by parenthesis. Let us write a simple function to display a greeting. Def, name of the function, example greet. Open and close the parenthesis, then colon. Enter statements in the body of the function with proper indentation. Print, within bracket, have a great day. This code defines a function called greet which prints a message, have a great day. The function will be executed only when it is called. Let us save and run the program. The program executed, but there is no output. We know that in order to execute a function, we have to call a function using the function name followed by parenthesis. So let us call the function greet with parenthesis. Save and execute the program. Now you can notice the output. Let us modify the same function to accept name as an argument and print greetings along with the name. In the function definition, within parenthesis, specify the name of the parameter. It can be any name. Use the same name in the function body to print the customized message. Note, we have to call the function with some value, that is some name. Example, greet within bracket in quotes Hemanth. Save and execute the program. We will see how to return a value from the function in the next session. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates.